Hi guys, and welcome to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to time your Forex trades. So I'll just go over how I combine the time and price to trade more accurately. And let's just go over what I'll cover here quickly. I'll go over the session timing, the highs and lows of the day and the week, and combining your strategy with the timing. So I'll show you how I do that when it comes to intraday trades. So let's just go over to the chart quickly. So here we are just on the Olymp Trade platform again, and this is the daily chart for the euro dollar. So what I would do is I look at what's happening in the current day's candle in relationship to the previous day and in the current week. So if we just go to 15-minute time frame, and here on the 15-minute time frame we can just see more detailed picture of what's actually happening. So the idea here is to identify the either highs and lows of the day or the turning points for the day or for the session in relationship to the highs and lows of the current day or the current week. So at the moment we are 26th of August, so we are Wednesday, and the week began on the 24th, and this is 9:27 a.m. UK time, so this is GMT. So the idea here is to trade intraday until the end of the day, and to identify the key times, the key timing moments where it would be ideal to place a trade. So let's just mark off those areas that we should ideally look at. So if we just go to the tools in the platform and look at the list of indicators, we can go down and then take the vertical line, and then we can put the vertical line first of all at the beginning of the day, just to make it obvious where the beginning of the day was. And we can also put the vertical line at the beginning of the week, which was the 24th, which is here, which was 2 days ago. And now we can also put the horizontal line at the current high of the week, which is here since Monday, and we can also put the vertical line at the horizontal line at the current low of the week. And now we have some frames of reference, and we can also put another horizontal line at the high of the day and the previous day, which is around this area. We have the high of today, which is 1:15, happened around 1:30, 1:15 UK time, and then we have here the yesterday's high of the day. Then we have today's low of the day. So now the point of this is to identify the key timing spots, the key areas, combining with the price. So we have the vertical line, which shows the timing, identifies the times that we're looking at, and then we have the horizontal lines, the horizontal lines across the chart that show the key price points. So we are looking to combine those two things to give us an ideal entry criteria. So now the second thing we want to do is to identify the session timings. Now the key with the session timings is to take the first 2 hours of the London session and the first 2 hours of the New York session. So again, let's take a vertical line and identify that. So what we're going to look at is the beginning of London, which is 8. So we're going to place that right here. And this is 8, and then we're going to take another one and place that at 10. So that is the 2 hours. So you need to convert that to your local time. So here we have 9:15, and 10 will be around here. So this is the area that we want to trade within. And later on, once you get to New York session, if you trade the New York session, then we'll have, again, in UK time it is 1 o'clock, so it will be somewhere here, and then another vertical line. The first 2 hours will be until 3 o'clock UK time, so we will have that area there. So let's just take it off so the chart is not too cluttered. I'm going to delete these vertical lines, and let's just stick to what we have here. So let's say your strategy with all your, for example, trend lines told you that you're now in an uptrend and you're looking to buy to go up. Therefore, what we now combine that with is an area, which is in this case the low of the day, and the highs and lows of the day and the week. And in this case, we've marked those out. So now we are going to look for, this would be a bit more accurate for today. So we're going to look for a trade within this area. So now, for example, if we say this is an uptrend, and now we're looking for the market to go up, and now we've identified the time that we want to trade in, and we've identified the area, which is the price, which is the highs and lows. So once we have all those criteria, we've combined that, and also, of course, combined with your strategy, combined with your other criteria, then you can enter your amount. And in this case, we're going up, so we're going to, for example, place the trade there, and then we're going to expect that to go further up, and that will be where our profit will be. And if it goes down, of course it will be at a loss. So that is how we're going to combine those two things, and that's how I do it in combination with my strategy. So very important to keep in mind the session timings and identify the key points, not only the key areas of price, but also the key areas of time. And in that combination, as you've got the axis of time and you've got the axis of price here, those two combined will give you that kind of confluence to strengthen the trade. Another thing to note is the fact that certain pairs have certain key timings. So for example, euro dollar would be either a London session or a New York session. Dollar yen, we've got here, would be more of a New York session pair. And then we have ones with pairs which are out of those sessions, as well as within them is, for example, Aussie yen. And Aussie yen is also an Asian pair, so that would not always apply to London or New York. Then you have other pairs like CAD Swiss, which actually play out later than the New York session, late in the session, more in the afternoon of New York time. So that's how I do it, and you can just identify each pair that you're trading, what their session timings are. And if we just go back here to the euro dollar, we can see on the daily chart we've marked out the highs and lows. In this case, we have for the day and for the week. And this is just a zoomed out picture, so you can see the macro levels. And that's how we combine the time and the price to improve the accuracy of our trades. And you can just use the tools here on the side that will help you to label your chart and draw more accurately your expectations and where you're looking to trade. And then once you place your trade, then you've got your list of trades on the side, and then you can monitor that. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. The trade is running for the moment, and this is just an example, and yeah, we'll see what happens, and good luck in your trading, and hope you can use this to your advantage to place some good trades. Okay, catch you soon on the next video.